Are you always in a rush but want to stick to your Mediterranean diet? Well, you're in luck because today's video is all about 5-minute meals for the Mediterranean diet. We all know that the Mediterranean diet is one of the healthiest and most delicious diets out there, but it can also be time-consuming. But what if I told you that you can have a delicious and healthy meal within just 5 minutes? Before we dive into the recipes, let's quickly go over the amazing benefits of the Mediterranean diet. Studies have shown that the Mediterranean diet can improve heart health, cognitive function, and reduce the risk of chronic diseases. It's also a diet that's high in fiber, healthy fats, and antioxidants, which all contribute to healthy weight management. Now let's get to the good stuff, the recipes. 1. Greek yogurt and fruit bowl. Just mix Greek yogurt with your favorite fruits and add a drizzle of honey. Top it off with some nuts for added protein and crunch. 2. Mediterranean omelet. Whip up an egg in a bowl and pour it into a heated skillet. Add some chopped veggies like tomato, onion, and bell pepper. Add some feta cheese on top for extra flavor. 3. Quinoa salad. Cook up some quinoa and add chopped veggies like cucumber, tomato, and onion. Drizzle with olive oil and top with feta cheese. 4. Hummus and Veggie Wrap. Spread hummus on a whole wheat wrap and add your favorite veggies like lettuce, tomato, and cucumber. You can also add some chicken or shrimp for added protein. 5. Tuna salad. Mix canned tuna with some olive oil, lemon juice, and chopped veggies like celery and onion. Serve it on a bed of lettuce or whole wheat bread. And there you have it, 5 delicious and healthy 5-minute meals for the Mediterranean diet. Remember to swap out any ingredients based on your own dietary restrictions or preferences. As always, thank you for watching and don't forget to hit that subscribe button to get 2 videos every day for free.